A lawyer from PDP Laban disagrees with that statement of Palace spokesperson Undersecretary Claire Castro that resignation is not an option for President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Jason Rubrico for the details.
The President is still working and keeps on working for the country.
In a press briefing on Tuesday, Malacanang spokesperson Undersecretary Claire Castro emphasized that the president remains committed to carrying out his duties, adding that stepping down is not being considered by the administration.
So hindi po opsyon sa administrasyon, sa Pangulo ang pagbibitiw. Ang Pangulo ay matapang na haharapin kung ano man ang suliranin ng bansa.
Her statement comes amid growing calls for President Marcos to resign following serious allegations made by his sister, Senator Amy Marcos, claiming the president is using illegal drugs. But for PDP Laban lawyer and official Attorney Jimmy Bondo, the palace's statement is clearly incorrect.
It's always an option. No, in fact, that's in the Constitution. Pwede niyang constitutional option niya ang mag-declare na incapacitated siya. That is in Article 7, Section 11. So, legally, that's a false statement.
PDP Laban Executive Director Astravel Pimentel Naik also issued a strong remark directed at Undersecretary Castro.
Ms. Claire, ikaw ba si BBM? Ikaw ba si President Marcos? Para ikaw ang magsabi na resignation is not an option. Hindi ka kapatid, hindi ka ina, hindi ka rin Diyos. Hindi mo kontrolado kung ano ang nasa puso at isipan ng buong pamilya at ni President Bongbong Marcos. Kung ikaw ay hindi naniniwala na possible ang resignation, kami ay naniniwala na kung totoong may konsensya ang ating Pangulong Marcos, magre-resign siya.
Naik added that Senator Amy's allegations raise a legitimate constitutional concern.
Ang isyo na inilabas ni Senador Amy Marcos tungkol sa kanyang kapatid ay isang valid and very constitutional issue that we have to raise dahil ang isang addict na Pangulo ay walang kapasidad na mamuno at walang kapasidad to lead with wisdom and to lead with compassion.
Amid the renewed controversy on illegal drugs, PDP Laban is also pushing for mandatory hair follicle drug testing, not only for the president but for all government officials. Reporting for Newsline World, I am Jason Rubrico, SM9 News.